Once upon a time, there was a laborer in a small village. He used to dig the soil every day, kick his donkey and sell it. So once when that laborer was digging the soil, he found a precious diamond in the soil. But that laborer did not know that it was a very precious diamond. So he tied that diamond around his donkey's neck. One day, when he was taking his donkey from the village, there was a shopkeeper of the same village who used to run a small grocery shop. So when he saw that diamond in the neck of that donkey, he asked the laborer, "What is in your donkey's neck?" "It is very shiny." The laborer said that it is a shiny stone. "I found it while digging the soil." Now the shopkeeper likes that shiny stone, and the shopkeeper buys that shiny stone from that laborer for 50 rupees, and he puts that shiny stone on the scale of his shop. Now whoever comes to the shop of the shopkeeper, he starts praising that shiny stone by looking at it. So once a jeweler comes to the shop of the shopkeeper, and when he sees that precious diamond hanging on the scale of the shopkeeper, then that jeweler understands that this is a precious diamond. He asks the shopkeeper, "What is this, and why have you hung it on the scale?" The shopkeeper tells the jeweler that it is a shiny stone. "I bought it from a laborer for 50 rupees. The jeweler asks the shopkeeper, "Would you like to sell me this shiny stone?" The shopkeeper tells the jeweler that if you want to buy it, then give me 100 rupees and take it. Now that jeweler was very stingy. He told the shopkeeper that I can give you 80 rupees for this shiny stone. If you want, then tell me, otherwise I am going. The shopkeeper kept standing at his 100 rupees, and that jeweler thought and left from there that today the shopkeeper is not agreeing. Tomorrow I will come and give the shopkeeper 90 rupees and take that diamond. But something happened that on the same day, another jeweler was going through the same village in the evening, and suddenly his car stops in the same village. While the driver is repairing the car, that jeweler goes to the shop of the shopkeeper to buy something, and when he sees that diamond hanging on the scale, he asks the shopkeeper to buy it. The shopkeeper also tells him that I bought it for 50 rupees, I will give you 100 rupees. That jeweler was very smart. He did not waste a second and immediately gave the shopkeeper 100 rupees and took the diamond and left from there. Now the next day, the first jeweler came to the shop of the shopkeeper, and when he looked at the scale, he did not see that diamond there. He asked the shopkeeper where that shiny stone went. The shopkeeper said that after you left yesterday, another gentleman came. He liked it, and he gave me 100 rupees and bought it from me. Now after hearing this, that jeweler regretted a lot, and he also got angry. So he said to the shopkeeper in anger that you are such a big fool. It was not a shiny stone, but it was a precious diamond, and you gave it to him for 100 rupees. Now after hearing this, the shopkeeper said to that jeweler that, "Sir, I did not know that was a precious diamond. And despite knowing this, you were begging me for 20 rupees yesterday. So you are a bigger fool than me, who lost a precious diamond for 20 rupees. Friends, from this story, we get 3 very big lessons. The first is to be stingy where it is needed. If you are stingy everywhere, then you will lose good things from your hands. And the second lesson from this story is that we should never lose the opportunity that comes in our hands. We should never lose the opportunity that comes in our hands. Often we consider ourselves to be brilliant and lose many opportunities from our hands. And the third lesson we get from this story is that never postpone work to tomorrow. There is a very old saying that do tomorrow today and do today now. Friends, the right time never comes. Now is the right time. So if you want to spread this story to more people, then like this video so that YouTube can spread this video to more people. And if you like the story, then do subscribe to our channel. See you next time with a similar story. So be patient, be grateful, and move forward in life.